This simple strategy give me a 25% growth per month consistently, and it's very easy to follow this strategy. In this video, I will explain you exactly when to open a buy, when to open a sell, and the results what I got by using this strategy. And at the end, I will show you exactly what settings of this strategy. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back to TradingBotLab. I'm your host Abdul. Let's move to my screen, and here you can see I have applied these two indicators, the scalp tool or 1.1 and the RSI. I will show you the exact settings at the end of this video. So first let me show you exactly when to open a buy and when to open a sell. So here first of all, to open a sell, the price must be below this price channel, and this channel must be below this green line, and this green line must be below this blue line, and here below the RSI must be below 50. And now let me show you exactly where to open a sell trade. So price goes down, and now I will wait for the price pull back, price go up and touch this band, and then the candle close below here, and now I will apply a line here at this low level and wait for the price to break this line. So price going down and this candle break this line, so I will open a sell trade on the closing of this candle exactly here. The SL will be at the high band of this price channel. The TP will be 1.5 risk to reward ratio here, and to open a buy we will follow the same rules. Here let me show you, here the price pull back and touch, but the criteria of this strategy is not made because the green line must be above this blue line. So we will be waiting for the criteria to meet exactly here. When price go up and touch this price channel, at this time the green line is above this blue line, the price channel is above this green line. So now this high, we will be waiting for the price to break this high, price go up, and again when price goes down, so now we will wait for the price to break this last high. The most important other thing is the RSI is higher than 50 level, so we will open a buy trade here on the closing of this candle. The SL will be at the lower band of this channel, and the TP will be 1.5 risk to reward ratio. And here the price goes down, but it could not reach the SL, and again climbing up, hit the TP and close in the profit. And again we will be looking for the buy signal, price touch again this channel, still all the conditions are in line, so we will open a buy trade on the breakout candle of this high. I hope you understand exactly when to open a buy, when to open a sell. And now let's move to the backtest process. The backtest process is completed, and here you can see it makes a total net profit of $422.7 with a max drawdown of only $55. It opened total 104 trades in the last 1.5 months, because here you can see the first trade it opened 22 December of 2025, and the last trade is open February 9, 2026. If you do some practice and follow all these rules, I am sure you no need to follow any other strategy, because here you can see the equity curve is going up consistently. There is no big drawdown. Here below the profit and loss distribution, and also here you can see win and loss by buy and sell directions. Now let's move to the final part of this video, where I will show you exactly same settings what I am using. You simply need to go to the settings from here, and you need to match exact these same settings, and here below the RSI is a simple RSI with the period of 14 applied, the source set to close, and all these settings you can match exact same settings to your chart. I hope this video saved you a lot of time and efforts and money, so don't forget to hit subscribe and like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.